Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney. If you're new here, I really appreciate you stopping by. I hope you consider subscribing and checking out some more of my content. I wanted to start this video off by talking about this one really cute little indie brand, and it is not makeup related. It is jewelry. So they make necklaces and bracelets, and I think they make earrings. And each little bracelet that they have will donate if you buy it to a organization or a charity, mostly animals. So there is a few different types of bracelets that they have. One of the bracelets is for cats, and it has like a little black string and a little cat charm. I'll insert a picture right here, and that purchase of that bracelet will go to the charity for cats. And I think that's absolutely amazing for brands to donate to charity or organizations that they really care about with purchases. And I think that's such a great, cute little creative idea. I definitely am excited because I did place my order for my suicide awareness bracelets, and that purchase has donated money to the suicide prevention organization. And one of my dear best friends, Jenny, she is so adorable and so cute, and she has a discount code with that brand as well, and it is called Pure Vita bracelets, and I'll also link that down below in the description box. So in case you want to check that out, her code is for 20% off. It is Jennifer Lazar 20, and I'll put that right here, and I'll also stick that in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching this short little segment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day and a good week, and I'm so excited for 2020 to be over. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impression and look using the other palette in the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection. This one is the Waiting Room palette. In my previous video, I did a look using the Recently Deceased palette, so I'm going to play with this. Alright, so my eyes are already primed using the Alter Ego eyeshadow base, and this is what the color story looks like. It's very cute. It's a very like grungy but romantic color story. I'm living for it. I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and start buffing the shade Obituary in my crease. Ooh, this is super freaking dark. Of my eye using the shade No Exit, which is a little bit of a darker red than Obituary. So I'm going to go in with this other side of the same fluffy brush and just kind of slowly stamp on the outer third of my eye and kind of blending it into my crease, but not all the way, just to get some depth into our look. Really nicely melts eyeshadow formula. And these palettes, so far of what I played with, is pretty good. I really like the way they blend out, and I like their color stories. Their shimmers are a little bit rough, but it's not anything like to worry about. I still really like the way they look. It's just kind of harder, like in texture, but I just use my finger to put on shimmers usually. So next I'm gonna go and take some concealer and cut my crease out. I normally don't really do that a lot, but I figured I wanted to try something new this time. And I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the original one, and I don't use this as an actual concealer. It's way too light for me, but it's perfect for cutting creases. So I'm just gonna take a small little flat brush and go ahead and take some off the wands right here. Cut my crease. It's not going to be perfect, so please have pity on me. I'm going to do a half cut crease actually. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take Sawed Girl, which is that really pretty fuchsia pink shade, and it's a shimmer. I'm going to put that on the outer third of my lid where I cut my crease right where it meets with the dark matte. Ooh, that's pretty. And even with your fingers, these blend out really nicely. I'm extremely impressed. Honestly, Melt's hype is definitely worth it. If you haven't checked out their products yet or anything, please do. I guarantee you it is such good quality. The price is a little up there sometimes, but usually like in Sephora and stuff, they have like sales going on throughout the year, especially like older products, and just like sign up for their list and newsletter and it'll tell you like when their sales are going on and stuff. I'm going to take the shade Juno, which is this very beautiful silver color, and put it on the inner part of my lid. And kind of slowly blending it out into that pink so it doesn't look as harsh of a line. A good tip for blending eyeshadow with your fingers, just going back and forth, tapping each way, left and then right, just back and forth, and that'll help really blend the shadows out. That's so pretty. I'm obsessed with those colors. All right, so let's do the lower lash line. I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to go in with like grungy, like just like a black, or use one of the grays. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that shade No Exit, which is that dark, really dark red color that I put in the outer part of my crease. I'm going to connect the two. So since there's no really inner corner shade in this palette, unfortunately, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of my Colourpop Super Shock Shadows in the shade Ice Dream, which is this really pretty white pink iridescent color, and put that in my inner corner. I think that'll really tie in the pink to this look really nicely. Ooh, that's so pretty. That goes so well with this look. Perfect. I love how that turned out. That is so cute. I'm gonna go throw on my lashes, some mascara and stuff, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and this is mostly the final look. This is the final eye look. So what I did was I put the NYX Epic Wear liner stick in the shade Magenta Shock on my waterline. I used my favorite lashes in the world from Hellby's Beauty called Goth Girlfriend, and I'm about to use the bullet lipstick for the first time from the collection as well to go with my look. I wanted to see how they perform on the lips and how well they go on and the color and everything. So I'm going to use this shade Calypso in fuchsia, purpley pink color. So I will go ahead and put that on my lips. That is such a beautiful color. I am so obsessed, and I think this completes the look so perfectly. And that is the final look, guys. What do you think? How do you think everything turned out? What do you think of this palette? I'm curious what you guys think about this. I think it's such a cool, fun color story. And it was fun to work with. I mean, there's not a whole lot of like variety of looks that you can do like with a specific color story, but it is nice to have in my collection in case I want to do some type of look like this. And I did enjoy playing with it, and it was fun. Got my creative juices flowing. I like the way the whole look turned out, and I'm just literally obsessed. This whole collection has just been so much fun to play with so far. I can't wait to do more stuff with it. And I did also use the mascara from the collection as well. So I just want to let you guys know that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini tutorial using the Waiting Room palette. I hope you guys have a good night, a good weekend, a good week, a good holiday as well. Mwah. Bye guys.